Subcompetency 2.5. Assess the relevance, importance, and sufficiency of evidence, examples, and reasons provided to explain a concept or process presented in an informational text. So, analyzing evidence. So, when you analyze evidence, you're looking at the evidence that is a broad term that can mean many things. Here, I'm describing it neutrally in a way that shows its parts. So, analyzing evidence can itself be broken down into 3 steps. Identify the point the author is trying to make, which is the claim. Identify the specific facts the author gives to support the claim, and explain how the evidence is supposed to relate to the claim. Knowing how to assess relevance, importance, and sufficiency of evidence in informational text is important. So once the desired information is unpacked, you'll have to know how to validate the information. Evaluating evidence. References and resources can be found quickly, but are the references valid? And in other words, understanding the reliability of sources is an important part of teaching students how to use the information. Sufficient evidence. Online encyclopedias might provide the fastest results when seeking specific data, but they might not always be the most reliable. Subcompetency 6. Assess the credibility, objectivity, and reliability of various sources used in an informational text. So, credible, objective, and reliable information. Ask yourself, is it scholarly? Is the information supported by evidence? It should is that evidence referenced by the source? Has the content been peer reviewed? Can the information be verified? Is the tone objective? And is it free from errors and spelling grammar? And is it written by a scholar who has expertise in the field? So you can use the C.R.A.A.P test to figure out if it's credible, objective, and reliable. So currency is timeliness of the information. Relevance is the importance of the information. Authority is the source of the information. Accuracy is the reliability, truthful, and the correctness of the information. And the purpose is the reason for the information. Subcompetency 7. Recognize an accurate summary of an informational text. Recognizing summaries. Steps in composing a summary. Determine the main points. Reread carefully and make a descriptive outline. Figure out the thesis. Identify the major divisions. Summarize each part into 1 or 2 sentences. Then combine each part into a whole coherent version of the main text. These are the characteristics of a summary. You have to cite the author and the title of the text, indicate the main ideas of the text, use direct quotations of key words, phrases, or sentences, and include author tags, and avoid summarizing specific examples or data, and report the main ideas as objectively as possible. So these are the things you're going to need to know how to do on the text. The test will actually ask you which of the following is the best summary of the text. So you'll need to know this. This is very important. So your summary should be precise, neutral. It should cover points evenly. It should be written in your own words, and it should be unified and cohesive. And it should also be cited. And this is more about summaries. Next time, I will talk about Subcompetency 8, interpret graphic features used in informational texts, such as tables, graphs, and charts.